Today, we're gonna be eating cat food.
Oh my god, it's not gonna be good.
I'm X-Links.
Crustacean. Don't fuck this up, because once we open this, it's go time. Alright, yeah,
Can I have a
drinks
nice
first.
cream soda?
Cheers.
To wash it down.
Alright.
So I have salmon and ocean whitefish.
I have a tuna and shrimp recipe with wild rice and gravy.
So these are unopened.
And it's gonna taste like shit.
So
And we were told that there's like some kind of chemical in this, but we
Whatever.
don't care.
let's crack these.
Okay. Yum. Bottoms up. I'm gonna throw up. I actually am.
Need a bucket?
3,
Countdown, all right?
I'm gonna
5,
throw up.
4, 3, 2, 1.
Jesus. That tastes like a tuna fish pissed in my mouth.
Yeah, you drank your own piss once.
But I didn't drink a tuna fish's.
That's so bad.
I actually.
How do cats do it?
Cats are fucking assholes.
That's why you're a crustacean.
I mean my.
Stop! You can't fucking do it.
All right,
I'm not
you wanna
him.
Switch? You want to switch?
No! I'm not him. I can't just eat freaking
shit.
sardines, spine and everything. Oh my god.
Oh my god.
You can't even take a freaking bite.
Swallow it.
You tried this!
Fuck no.
Good.
Like the cream soda's like turning out yellow in my mouth. Well, it's already
Well,
like
it's kind of
brownish.
like already like
No,
brown.
but it's like turning out a weirder color.
All right, let's switch.
No. I'm not fucking eating this shit.
No, that shit isn't as bad. Come on.
Try mine first.
Ready?
3, 2, 1.
Yeah, now you know.
Oh my god, that's amazing.
Well,
Yeah,
you can at least say they tried.
we tried.
Alright.
I can't do that.
We call
do that.
this a failed or attempted, I
Next
should
time-
say.
Next time he's doing this, I'm gonna do the more
This was an attempted cat food challenge.
challenges.
X-Links
You would actually
and Sexy Crustacean.
Alright.
Sexy crustacean actually ate a lot. Look,
I ate and spat out a lot, but I didn't eat it.
I ate and swallowed full
You
bite.
guys done?
You're a big boy.
All right.
Alright,
like-
we're good.
Like, comment, rate,
subscribe.
sub.
And
Shut up. Like,
subscribe, see
comment,
similars.
subscribe. Write in the comments challenges.
Yeah, I got fucking cat
How do you
food on
like
my
us?
leg.
Put suggested challenges in the comments below.
Also, donate if you want to. All right. See you later.
Don't donate.